Oh shit, we forgot to say something. Oh damn. Oh hey dude. Hey dude, did you just get up? Oh yeah, I'm just getting some milk. I'm probably gonna go back to bed pretty soon because I had a rough day yesterday, so.
Okay, well, make sure you get up decently soon because I'm having people over.
Oh, you are? What time?
Um,
What the hell? Dude, you're naked. Yeah, I sleep in the nude. I just woke up, I told you.
yeah, but you have a huge boner.
Morning wood.
It's 6 p.m.
Evening wood.
For our films.